Hi, this is Professor Angela Rasmussen, and today I'm going to be talking about the conversion between dB, which is decibel, and electric units. So decibel conversion, if we're talking about voltage gain to decibel, we're going to have 20 log of whatever is the output over the input. For example, if we have a V out equal to 1 and a Vin equal to the square root of 2, then our ratio of V out over Vin, which is also considered our transfer function, will be 1 over the square root of 2, and to convert that into dB we would take 20 log, and this is base 10, of 1 over the square root of 2. Putting that into a calculator gives us a minus 3.01 dB. If we want to convert any ratio then of an output over an input, say we have a gain of 10. This would give us 20 dB. If we have a gain of 100 volts per volt, this would give us dB of 40 dB. If now we had 1000, this will give us 60 dB. As you can see here, for large variations, these are factors of 10, we see that the change into dB gives us a smaller value and therefore can be expressed on a more reasonable scale. So for large variations in gain, we are able to have just a small change of 20 dB. So the other thing we want to understand is dB conversion to voltage. So if we know the dB value and we want to change it back into voltage, we will use this equation. Note that this is a positive value. So if our dB is 20, then we would take 10, 20 over 20, and we see that that gives us 1, and that's unitless, so it would be volts over volts. If we had any other number, if we have 40, we took the dB value 40 and divide it by 20, that gives us 100 volts per volt. And so on. So all you do is take your dB number and plug it in at the top, divided by 20, and that is the conversion back into volts if we have dB. This concludes this presentation.